Namaskar. It's a privilege to address this distinguished gathering of education leaders, academic functionaries, and practitioners participating in the regional level workshop on National Professional Standards for Teachers and National Mission for Mentoring. I'm glad to connect with field functionaries and representatives from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, CBSE, SCRTs, diets, and other key stakeholders from states and union territories, whose collective engagement reflects a shared commitment to advancing the transformative vision of the National Education Policy 2020. It is in this context that NPST and NMM assume strategic importance. NPST provides a nationally recommended framework on core set of standards that clearly articulate professional expectations across career stages, bringing coherence across pre-service preparation, in-service development, mentoring, and leadership. Complementing this, National Mission for Mentoring strengthens professional ecosystem through structured guidance, peer learning, and continuous support. Importantly, this reform is being supported through a robust implementation architecture. The NPST guiding document and NMM Blue Book, digital platforms, and web portals developed by NCTE are practical tools designed to guide institutional support, cascading through trained resource persons and subtle adoption and adaptation by states and UTs. They reflect a clear assurance that teachers are supported through this transition and not burdened by it. The ministry remains committed to supporting these initiatives through Samagra Shiksha and PAB processes. With these priorities, while actively encouraging feedback from the field to continuously strengthen its implementation. In this national effort, NCTE plays a pivotal role as a statutory body with pan-India responsibility and as a key academic partner in strengthening the teacher education continuum. I would like to speak directly to our teachers. The reforms envisaged under NEP 2020 are anchored in trust, in your professional judgment, your commitment, and your ability to shape young minds. NPST and NMM are intended to support your growth, recognize your professionalism, and create meaningful pathways for continuous learning and leadership. Your engagement with these initiatives will determine the success of this national transformation. I am confident that the deliberations and capacity building efforts undertaken through this national, regional level workshops will translate into informed action, effective implementation, and stronger collaboration across institutions and states. I thank you and best wishes for the program. Jai Hind.